Hello garden friends, and welcome to my channel, DK's Garden Oasis. I am Debbie, Master Gardener and Butterfly Raising Hobbyist. On this channel I hope to inspire you to bloom, grow, and conserve in your garden. In this video I'm going to be showing you how we install the Proven Winners water-wise irrigation system. I've used it, I think this is going on the 4th year, and it's a game changer. Make sure you stay till the end where I share a beautiful poem. So now I'm going to address some questions that you may have about the Proven Winners water-wise system. So why use drip irrigation? It's eco-friendly, saves water, it's versatile, can be used in containers or landscapes, simple, you can water up to 10 containers or 30 feet of landscape beds from a single kit and faucet. It's expandable, multiple kits can be connected. So this is the kit, Proven Winners water-wise, and everything is included in this kit. What's included? It comes with 100 foot of coil that is cream or white, and this is what it looks like. It's 1/4 inch. It comes with 10 half GPH pressure compensating drippers, and this is what they look like. 10 1/4 inch barb tees, and this is what they look like. And you attach the hoses to these 3, or they have 3 crosses. And I did go to the hardware store and get extras because we needed more than the 3. So this is the cross, and attach the hose 4 places. These are the 10 1/4 inch nail clamps, and you can attach these to wood. You cannot attach them to cement, but you can disguise them, put them under the rocks or mulch. So this is still attached from last fall. So this is your pressure washer, and this is your faucet adapter, and then it's attached to your drip line right here, this 1/4 inch drip line. 10 1/4 inch stakes. This is, you put the drip line through this little opening, which you'll see pretty soon, and then put it in your containers. Or some optional items that you might want to get are, these are the plugs if you want to plug off the end. In the fall I don't run everything, so I put these little plugs in, and you could get these at the hardware store. You could cut the vinyl tubing with scissors, but I did buy this to cut the tubing. Okay, and this is your watering timer. This would be attaching to your drip line. We also have an adapter on our outside spigot, which I'll show you, that we can attach our regular hose to, that we can use, because I have hanging baskets that I don't attach the drip to, so we use the regular hose for those kind of planters, and this would be strictly for the drip line. How do you install the system? So on the box it does show you how to install that, and I will now show you that slide. What you want to do is attach the backflow preventer valve to your faucet, thread the faucet adapter onto the backflow prevention valve, push the end of the 1/4 inch vinyl tubing onto the faucet adapter's barbed outlet. And pro tip here, wetting the adapters helps them slide into the tubing. Also, if you have a cup of hot water, it also goes on a lot better. Then you run the 1/4 inch vinyl tubing to your first plant, cut the vinyl with scissors, insert the 1/4 inch barb tee or cross, and extend the 1/4 inch vinyl tubing from each 1/4 inch barb tee to its corresponding plant. And then you would push the vinyl tubing into the barbed outlet of the 1/2 inch gallons per hour pressure compensating dripper, and then you repeat for each of your containers. You place the dripper into the pot and attach the dripper to the support stake so the water drips near the base of the plant. A 1/2 2-liter per hour dripper slowly delivers a constant drip of water to your plant's root zone. And like I said, besides having the tubing wet, it also helps if you put it in some warm water to push those on. I'll put the Proven Winners link to the drip system and the instructions and everything that's in the kit in the description box below. So now let's go outside and I'll show you a little demonstration of us putting in the drip system. Okay, this is the area that I'm working with. We're doing all of these pots. I will not be doing these hanging baskets. And then we have these pots here that I want to hook them up as well. I have to just figure out how I want to do it yet. So once we get it all organized, I will give you a little demo of how we install these. Okay, we're on our last drip and we are going to attach the vinyl tubing to the T right now. He's attaching it to the T. He's bringing it across to the pot. We're going to attach the drip compensator nozzle and sticking in there, and then using the stake to put it into the pot. And that's the end of the line. I hope you can see that. And that's it. Okay, we've finished everything and we are just put it on a test to make sure it works and everything is dripping. So right now I just put it on 5-minute test and hopefully you can see that it's dripping. Let me try to focus. There you go. So the drip is working. There is another one. And we have all of these now on drip that I showed you earlier. So these are all on drip, all of these on this stand, and then these 3 over here. And then we also did this planter box, my pineapple, lemon, trees, and the other planter box right here. So happy about that now, so that I don't need to worry about watering anymore. So that's it for today. Hope you found this video informative and saw how easy it was to set up your drip irrigation system. So give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. So once you have the whole system installed, it's a hands-off system and it's very convenient. I'm hoping to get some of my other pots that are on my deck one day with the drip system as well. No more overwatering your plants, which is better for the plant, and the water goes directly to the root system. Also, overhead watering can expose the plants to disease. Next up will either be my garden tour or a pollinator video. I was going to do a garden tour today, but the gardens are a little behind this year, and I'm seeing that with most people. They're about 2 weeks behind. So I will be doing a garden tour soon. Also a pollinator video where I will be doing a giveaway. So make sure you're subscribed and hit that notification bell for that future video. Now I want to share that beautiful poem by John Dyer. Everyone enjoys the 4th of July holiday. Thanks for watching and happy gardening. Bye-bye.